For 25 years, MiX Telematics has delivered innovative fleet technology to more than 2 million drivers globally. Introducing our latest innovation, the power of video telematics. Don't rely on second-hand accounts. See for yourself with MiX Vision AI. AI cameras are the trusted co-pilots that see what your drivers can't and help prevent collisions for safe roads, safe drivers and protected cargo. MiX Vision AI dashcams provide alerts to you and your drivers, keeping your operation connected and your drivers and vehicles protected. Real-time, in-cab driver coaching reduces risky driving behaviours and poor driving performance, including mobile phone use, distraction, fatigue, not wearing a seatbelt, and harsh driving such as speeding, hard braking, harsh accelerating and cornering. Keep your drivers safe with eyes on the road, forward collision, following distance and lane departure warnings. In the event of an accident, video evidence can clear drivers and fleet operators from false claims and expedite costly and lengthy insurance processes. All video footage is consolidated to a single fleet manager platform, which provides data-driven insights to consistently improve your fleet's performance. Review post-trip data and video for coaching opportunities to positively change driver behaviour. Vehicle telematics plus AI video technology deliver an impressive 10-to-1 return on investment. We pride ourselves on a service for life philosophy, shown by a customer retention rate of over 98%. Partner with the global leader in fleet management solutions, MiX Telematics.